Congratulations on purchasing an e-pump, your solar pumping solution. Please follow the step-by-step instructions and you will be well on your way to free-flowing water thanks to the sun. Install your 125 by 125 H5 fence posts as per the layout in the diagram. The back post of 2100mm in length and the front of 1500mm are rammed into the ground 900mm deep. Secure with concrete at the top. Drill a single 10mm hole through the back of each post and thread through the bolts. The middle post will need 2 bolts drilled for the join in the steel rails. Install small mounting brackets in the bottom steel rail and tighten bolts. Make sure the hook is tipping all the way down to the front. Install bottom rails onto the 5 posts. The middle post will support both ends of each rail. Secure with bolts. Install the adjustable mounting poles on the top rail as you did with the bottom rail mounts, and tighten the bolts. Make sure the mounting pole is tipping forward. Secure both top rails with mounting poles onto the posts, as with the bottom row, and tighten bolts. Now you have all rails with mounting posts installed. It should look like this. Loosely slide the support channels onto the mounting clip like this. Keep the clips loose but tight enough for them to stay on. Do this with all 6 support channels and leave loose. Slide an aluminium sleeve over the support channels. It's easier to tip the support channels to the top and slide these on, and then slide another support channel into that. Tighten the bolts on the sleeve once all are on. Make sure the support channels are equal distance past each post at each end, top and bottom. Now you can go around and tighten all of the mounting bracket clips. Now all support channels are fixed. This should have firmed everything up. You can now lift on each solar panel. Check the back to make sure the cables are at the top end of the panel. Secure panels with the middle and end clips. This is a middle clip. Slot the clip into the support rail and slip over the panel. The end clips are different. These slide in from the end and slip over the panel. Then tighten. Repeat for top and bottom of each panel. Once all panels are on, you're ready to connect the power. The back should look like this. The power cables are identified through the panels, with the male being negative and female being positive. Using the 2-to-1 adapters, connect up both positives and negatives from a pair of panels. Repeat for the other 2 pairs. For the end pairs of panels, connect an extension cable from both cables and cable tie these to the rail. Run them both into the center to be near the middle pair. Using 2 3-to-1 adapter cables, connect all 3 pairs together, both positive and negative. Add extensions to the 3-to-1 adapters in the center and run down into the isolator. Connect these according to the wiring diagram. Make sure you fill the pump with oil, and also prime the pump with water by filling it up before turning on. You can now switch on the pump. The lights will flash for a few seconds while it starts up. Once green light flashes, move on to the next step. When first turning on the pump, you must use the bypass switch on the low pressure valve as pressure is below 20 psi. Once pressure reaches above 20 psi, you can release switch and pump will continue to run until it reaches the high pressure set point. The pump is now ready for you to release water. Once you release water, the pump is now fully automatic and will only have to repeat the startup steps in the case of a fault. Enjoy your e-pump.